mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss on how to solve for the skewness for ungrouped data. So for example, first we will define what is skewness. So when we say skewness, it is refers to the symmetry or asymmetry of the frequency distribution, and its measure can be obtained by using Pearson median skewness coefficient formula. So ito yung formula in finding the skewness or SK. So that is 3 times the mean subtract the median over standard deviation. So ito symbol, tandaan nyo lang yan, x bar that is mean, md that is median, s is standard deviation. So next, how can we identify if it is positively skewed and negatively skewed? So if positively skewed, if the observations are concentrated at the left side of the vertical axis and has fewer observation at the right side, or para mas madali, the mean is higher than the median. Tandaan, pag positively skewed, the mean is always higher than the median. Ang negatively skewed, the mean is lower than the median. Okay, tandaan yan. Next, for example, if we have example number 1, calculate the degree of skewness of its distribution if the mean is 45. Okay, if the mean is 45, median is 40, and the standard deviation is 5. So using the formula wait lang yung color para mas madali identify. Okay, formula is SK equals 3 times the mean subtract MD or the median over S standard deviation. So let's substitute the value of the mean, which is 45. So 3 times 45 subtract value of the median is 40 over standard deviation is 5. So we have 3 times this one, 45 minus 40, that is 5 over 5. So eliminate, so this unit is 3. So try to identify if it is positive or negatively skewed. Ano ba ito? Positive or negative? Okay, very good. It is positively skewed because the mean is higher than the median. The mean is 45 and the median is 40. So it is positively skewed. Okay, next, another example. So this one, for group data, we will find or we will solve for this given example. So we have, okay, find the degrees of skewness of the following data. So we have the data, so we need to complete the table. Ano ba yung F natin? Or ano ba yung nahanap natin? That is the value of the mean, the value of the mean, the value of ano pa, median, and standard deviation. So first, we need to complete the frequency distribution table. So ang x, what is the value of x? That is midpoint of its class. So what is the midpoint of its class? So that is midpoint of 90 to 94. So 90 plus 94. Okay, then i-divide sa 2, so the result is 92. Then this one, 85 to 89, that is 87. Median of these two limits or class limits. In this one, 80 to 84, that is 82. This one, 75 to 77, that is 79, that is 77. In this one, 72. This one is 67. This one is 62. And this one is 57. And last is 52. Then we will find the total frequency. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1. So that the result is total frequency, or N is 60. And how to find this Fx? Okay, we need to multiply this one. Multiply. So that we can find the value of f of x. So 1 times 92, so that is 92. 4 times 87, that is 348. 3 times 82, that is 246. 8 times 77, so that is 616. 20 times 72, that is 1440. Then 15 times 67, so that is 1005. 7 times 62, that is 434. Then 1 times 57, that is 57, and 1 times 52, that is 52. Then we will find the summation of f of x. So pag i-add natin lahat ito, add this one, add natin. So the total is 4,290. You can use your calculator. Then we will find first the value of, mamaya na, hanapin natin value of the mean. So we have, wait lang, change natin yung color. So formula in finding the mean, so that is mean equals summation of f of x over n. So the total summation of f of x is 4,290 over 60. So the result is, it is the result, that is 71.5. Okay, 71.5. Next, we'll find the, tingnan natin. Next, we will find the cumulative frequency. Tingnan natin. So, what is the total frequency? So, total frequency is 60. So, ilagay natin dito sa taas, 60. Then 60 minus 1, that is 59. Next, 59 minus 4, that is 55. Then 55 minus 3, that is 52. 52 minus 8, that is 44. 44 minus 20, that is 24. Then 24 minus 15, that is 9. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So that is the value of the cumulative frequency. Yung mean natin kanina is, that is mean equals, no, yun, that is 71.5. Tandaan, that is the value of the mean. Next, cumulative, or that is, ito, that is lower boundary or class boundary of each class. So class boundary, that is 85 or 89.5 to 94.5. Add lang tayo dito ng 0.5, then dito may subtract lang tayo ng 0.5. So 90 minus 0.5, that is 89.5, and 94 plus 0.5, so that is 94.5. Then pababa, sa baba, 50 minus 0.5, so that is 49.5, subtract 54.5. The same lang lahat dito, subtract lang tayo ng 0.5 dito, 0.5, then add tayo ng 0.5 dito sa upper limit. Okay? Next, x squared. So, x squared, tandaan, what is the value of x? So, that is 92. So, you need to multiply the number by itself. So, that is x squared. So, 92 times 92. So, that is 8,464. Next, 87 times 87, that is 7,569. In this one, 6,724. And next, 5,929. And 72 times 72, so that is 103. I know, that is 72 times 73, that is 5,184. And 67 times 67, that is 4,489. And 62 times 62, that is 3,844. Then 57 times 57, that is 3,249. And last, 52 times 52, that is 2,704. Then tingnan natin formula sa taas, f times x squared. So you need to multiply the frequency times the value of x squared. So 8,464 times 1, so automatically that is 8,464. And 7,569 times 4, so that is 30,276. Next, 6,724 times 3, that is 20,172. And this one, that is 47,432. And this one, 5,000 times 20, so that is 103,680. And this one, 67,335. The next, 26,908. The next is 3,949. And last is 2,700. Wait, 3,200 pala ito, 249. Then last is 2,704. Then find the total frequency, or total frequency times x squared. So that is equivalent to 310,920. So that is the total. Then anong hanapin natin? Mean, nahanap na natin. Then median. So we will use the median formula. So median equals lower boundary of the median class plus this one n over 2 subtract this done cumulative frequency times I over frequency of the median class. So how to find the median class? Tingnan nyo sa previous video ko how to find the median class. So total frequency is 60. So 60, divide mo yan sa 2, that is 30. So 30 is in between this one. So our median class is dito. So median class, our lower boundary of the median class is this one, that is 69.5. Okay, 69.5 plus this one is 30, subtract listed cumulative frequency, that is 24, over frequency of the median class is 20 times interval is, that is 5. So that equals 69.5 plus 30 minus 24, that is 6 times 5, that is 30 over 20, so that is 1.5. So equals 69.5 plus 1.5, so that is 71. So 71 still dito pa rin natin makita sa median class. Ito yung median class natin. Next, standard deviation. To find the standard deviation, first we need to find the variance. So yung formula in finding the variance is, tignan natin ito. So we have a squared, this one, lang. So we have the squared equals n summation of fx squared subtract, ito yung formula in finding the variance. So that is summation of f of x squared over n minus n, n times, wait lang, that is, so erase muna natin, that is, okay, next, n times n minus 1 equals, okay, n times, that is 60 times total frequency, that is 310,920, subtract ito 4,290 squared over 60 times 60 minus 1, that is 59, so equals, that is 70.93, that is the value of the variance. So ang standard deviation or S equals, that is square root of the variance, the value of variance is 70.93. So square root of 70.93 is 8.42. So that is 8.42. Tandaan, we have now the value of the median, that is 71, and standard deviation is 8.42. Next, solve natin yung skewness. So formula, that is, ano yung formula natin kanina? So formula is, white natin para maklaro talaga. Yung color is white. So SK equals 3 times means minus median over standard deviation. So that is 3 times, what is the value of the mean? So the value of the mean is 71.5. Okay, very good. 71.5 subtract, the value of the median is 71 over standard deviation is 8.42. So 3 times, this one is 0.5, so that is, wait lang, meron akong klaruhin. 71. Wait lang. Divide muna natin. Okay, so 71.5 times 3. Okay, so that is 71.5 minus 71, that is point or 0.5 over 8.12. So that 8.42 rather. Then 3 times 0.1, that is 1.5 over 8.42. Pag i-divide natin yan, so that is 0.18. So ito na yung value ng K natin or skewness. So it is positively skewed or negatively skewed. Based on the result, ang mean natin is 71.5, ang median natin is 71, so that is positively skewed. Kasi mas malaki yung higher value ang mean kaysa sa median. Okay, that's all for today and good day everyone.